Good morning. Thank you for joining me for a day in my life. This was Monday, May 8th, 2023. I have a really hard time waking up in the morning, especially at 8:35 when I do not need to be awake until about 10 or 10:30 to get ready for PT. Good morning, Jorah. This is my doggie. He's a Chihuahua Papillon mix, 5 years old. I did not want to take a shower this morning before physical therapy because I get incredibly sweaty there. So I did my best to just be presentable for the morning. I do love my electric toothbrush. If you don't have one, get one. I almost accidentally showed you some nipple. Ladies, if you don't have Walkser underwear, I highly recommend them. Get the long ones. You can prevent chub rub under skirts with them. And this is a bra from Duluth Trading Company. It's the Armachillo line. So good. This is Bruce the Brace. I have to wear him because I had a back surgery in January. I will discuss that more in a video to come on my channel. It's been a very long healing process, and I have to tighten it up real tight. Before we went to physical therapy that day, Mike and I had to go to his mom's to water her plant seedlings for the garden. She's on a trip right now, so
hello, plants.
We promised her that we would keep all of her plants alive. Marigolds are thirsty bitches, and I did not know that.
Bye, plants. You thirsty bitches.
No, Jorah, you cannot have my Philly cheesesteak. We love Good Mythical Morning. Here's our messy living room. We have to clean it up because we have a meet and greet with a dog that we may watch on Rover this week. Notice all of the stuff everywhere, and a lot of it ended up in my bedroom. And no, I have not cleaned that up yet, but that's okay. Jorah had to be in this shot. I love that. This is the after. We cleaned everything up. There is still some clutter that I would like to pick up, but overall, it looks so much better. And we brought this little black table down to put a fan on for the summer. We finally got to shower after physical therapy. It felt so good. I got really sweaty cleaning up and doing PT. Airing out my bits after the shower. Hi, Jorah. He is a Velcro dog. 100% through and through a Velcro dog. He has to be touched or touching me. I tried to do a center part when I blow dried my hair. Oh, I'm not gonna go too low. And these are my fun glasses, my silly fun glasses that I bought just for when I want a little extravagance on my face.
Jorah, do you want to go to the dog park? Yes? Do you want to go to the dog park? I take that as a yes. Yes?
Jorah, do you want to go to the dog park?
Alright, well, tell your dad to go get dressed.
Oh my god.
Alright, we'll go to the dog park. Okay.
Here we sit waiting for Mike to go in and get us some Red Bull. He got the new summer edition June Berry. It is absolutely delicious. Here's some dog park footage. This is Jorah's favorite place in the world. He gets to meet all different kinds of dogs here and run around and smell all the smells. He's been coming here since he was a little puppy, so he definitely thinks that he owns the place.
Good boy.
These are my favorite shots. Just him running straight at us. I love it. It's so cute.
Come on. Jorah, are you all tired?
Cut up some Michigan cherry sausage with barbecue Doritos, and we watched Big Mouth. This is my bone growth stimulator. I call her Bonnie. I thought that I was recording.
Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Yes? Yes! Okay! Lay down. Good boy. Window. Good boy. There you go. Was I not recording that whole fucking time? Were you at least? Oh God, Jesus Christ.
Jorah's main goal when he gets a new stuffed toy is to get the squeaker out of it and pull all of the stuffing out. We end up with stuffing covering the living room. Here he is at the face now because he realized the squeaker that he truly wanted was actually in the face. Oh my God, I love his paw. And success. He got the squeaker out of the face. And no, you can't have it, Jorah. But I will annoy you with it. And we were watching Wheel of Fortune, as we do every night. Later in the night, I chilled on the couch and watched some YouTube on my Chromebook and loved on Jorah. And then eventually I went to bed and read some on my Kindle and passed out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, let me know. I would like to do more a day in my life content.